What is up and welcome back to the videos. I'm your host, the Black and Grey Island Boy. So today we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to the dark side and we're testing out our Kayo A300 ATV. The A300 features a 300cc fuel injected double overhead cam 4-stroke motor. It makes a factory claimed 36 horsepower and 30 newton meters of torque. It's got a compression ratio of 11:1, featuring an electric start, a wheelbase of 1,140 millimeters, dry weight of 168 kilograms, seat height of 790 millimeters, and a ground clearance of 115 millimeters. The A300 has a 10-inch steel front rim and a 9-inch steel rear rim. Front suspension is handled by 375 millimeter D&M Hornet adjustable shocks, and the rear suspension is handled by a 385 millimeter D&M adjustable shock. The A300 comes with a 5-speed manual transmission with a reverse function and a chain and sprocket final drive. And this thing is a pretty solid freaking ripper. So this is the only bike in the Marinas motor fleet that we have not done any extensive field testing on. The only field testing has been donuts in the shop. So we're going out on the trails today to see what the A300 is all about. And the benefit with quads, solid rear axle, and the terrain is nice and wet. So we are going to be using this ATV to open up our trails quite a bit. I hope you guys enjoy a little bit of the change of pace with the content. We are going to be posting more often over the festive period, so stick around for more interesting content. We've got some stuff coming up on our race trailer as well, the ATV content, and some more builds and teardowns. We're going to be jumping into the Kayo KT250's motor teardown as well. It's me, the floating head. I know you're sitting on the toilet watching this video, chewing on some coffee beans, figuring out what's the best sag setting for you. Now that I've got you in a compromised situation, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and drop a comment down below. If you enjoy the content, why not contribute? Now with this awkward moment done, we can jump into the action of today's video. Just by riding towards the track, I've never been so afraid for my life. Why would anyone want to ride a quad? I don't understand it. Yeah, it's weird. Obviously not something that we are used to, but we are going to try and open up the trails a bit. Don't expect anything impressive or fast, because it feels like I'm dying all the way. But yeah, let's see how it goes, I suppose. I honestly don't know how people do it. Obviously, no disrespect to ATV riders, but yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing and I'm really struggling. So yeah, how do you do the thumb throttle thing? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you ride quads when no one's watching?
You know, so I get my training in, you know, funny enough. But geez, this thing is almost more work than it is. So.
Oh yeah, Zane is looking very much at home on the A300.
Slightly too comfortable.
Don't tell your friends.
It's a little trick when your thumb gets tired. You ride like this. That helps.
Yeah, I can't seem to grasp the concept yet, but yeah, it seems to be doing, from the point of view footage that I got over here, it seems to be doing a pretty decent job at opening up the trails.
I hate to admit this, and I definitely don't know if it works for my type of riding. It's definitely not going to make it up the mountain, but it's a lot of fun, I must say. Like just drifting around here, there's a certain side of fun to that. So
yeah,
gonna get ripped about this one, but
yeah, your brother's gonna tear you up. So Zane completely hosed us here. Now it's my turn on the ATV again to stare death in the eyes.
let's see if Breakage has what it takes.
Okay, I get it. You gotta stand and ride with your heels. So much work. Whew.
But,
I think I get it now. You gotta kind of like stand and drive it with your heels and lean over, something like that.
and you gotta get dirty.
And
Oh,
oops, I broke the handle.
because it's hanging off it like those. You know what those are called, Rickard? They're called sissy bars.
Sissy bars.
And he was holding on so tight for his dear life.
Well, they broke, so does that mean I ain't no being sissy?